within 5 minutes, you guys, my skin started burning. The next product is actually, again, will come as a shocker to you. It's a cult favorite, but I have some complaints. I literally woke up with breakouts. Hi guys, what's up? It's Arushi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today's video is actually a first for this channel. It's an anti-haul. Now ये वो वाले वीडियोस हैं जो मुझे पसंद है बहुत देखने, पर मैंने कभी बनाए नहीं है. And now that I think of it, I don't know why I never made these. If you guys don't know what an anti-haul is, it's basically a very chilled out sit down video where I basically talk to you guys about all the products which haven't caught my attention / the ones that I don't really want to buy or spend my money on, and wouldn't necessarily recommend you guys to buy either. But by no way am I bashing any brand or any product. It's in no way hate for the brand or the product. It's just my opinion. So I hope you guys take this video with a pinch of salt and understand कि अगर कोई product आपको बहुत पसंद है, मुझे नहीं पसंद, तो it's just my opinion and I'm not hating on the product at all. But also I hope that you guys enjoy this video because I feel like इस internet पे और इस YouTube पे आजकल इतने सारे product recommendations हैं और कोई बात ही नहीं कर रहा है कि ऐसे कौन से products हैं जो नहीं अच्छे हैं इतने. So I feel like ऐसे videos बहुत necessary है. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and without any further ado, let's now quickly get started. Oh, before we get started with this video, I just wanted to say that more than 70% of you aren't subscribed to my channel, and that's a little demotivating since I put in a lot of hard work in uploading videos every week. तो 2 मिनट निकाल के प्लीज जाके सब्सक्राइब कर दो और इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दो so I can post more videos for you every week. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's now quickly get started. The first product is actually by Nykaa Skin. It's the Nykaa Skin Shimmer Peel Off Mask. So these were some products that I think every influencer got PRs of and everyone talked about. And personally, I don't vibe with peel off masks anymore. I feel like peel off masks are very 2016. 2016 में सब लोग चारकोल पील ऑफ मास्क यूज़ कर रहे थे, सब घर पे फेविकॉल से बना के अपने नाक पे डाल रहे थे, which was by the way very very bad for your skin. But anyway, I think they're like an old trend now. Also, peel off masks don't really do a lot for your skin. They just like, it's just like maybe they'll get rid of your dead skin, but like if you're someone like me and have basic issues, like if I use any masks, I usually use some acne clearing masks, so here or there. So if you're someone who's looking for masks which will do something for your skin, these are not something you'd want, and so I don't want to spend my money on them. But if you're someone who just wants to do like masks for fun on your girls' sleepovers, then this is something you can buy, but personally not my choice. The second product that I want to talk about are again by Nykaa. These are the Nykaa Skin Sheet Masks. तो इसकी एक बहुत फनी स्टोरी आई टेल यू. तो मेरे को एक Nykaa Skin Sheet Mask फ्री मिला था जिनसेंग वाला विद माई Nykaa ऑर्डर एज अ बर्थडे गिफ्ट. सो आई थॉट चलो मिल गया तो लगा लेते हैं. एंड आई बाय द वे हैव हैड वेरी वेरी ग्रेट स्किन डेज, टच वुड. मेरे को 2 महीनों से कोई ब्रेकआउट्स नहीं हुए हैं. तो आई वॉज लाइक ग्रेट, लाइक शीट मास्क आर ग्रेट फॉर हाइड्रेशन, लेट मी पुट सम. तो मैंने ये शीट मास्क लगाया. सो इफ़ यू गाइज हैव यूज शीट मास्क, आपको पता होगा कि शीट मास्क 10-15 मिनट रखना होता है फेस पे, फिर निकाल के सीरम मसाज करना होता है. So I put the sheet mask and within 5 minutes, you guys, my skin started burning. मेरे को literally यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा जलन हो रही थी और यहाँ पे like मेरे pore area में. So I freaked out. Okay, I sent a few snaps to my friend and I was like, bro, मेरा face literally जल रहा है. So then within the first 5 minutes मैंने वो sheet mask निकाल दिया and my face was red, literally red. तो मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा किया नहीं. I just got rid of the serum on my face and went off to sleep because रात हो रही थी. The next morning, I literally woke up with breakouts. So if you guys can see, मेरे को यहाँ पे 2 breakouts है, एक यहाँ पे और एक यहाँ पे. ये 2 breakouts हैं. मुझे यहाँ पे breakouts हुए और मुझे यहाँ पे और एक यहाँ पे breakout हुआ. So मुझे 2 महीने से breakout नहीं हुए हैं बिल्कुल भी, और एकदम से sheet mask यूज़ करके मुझे like face पे 3-4 आ गए. So I was very very worried, and after that I decided कि मैं कभी कोई Nykaa sheet mask order नहीं करूँगी. Maybe it's just my skin. My skin is extremely sensitive, so maybe they didn't work for me. But definitely never buying them again. If you guys want to try it out, you guys can. But definitely not my cup of tea, so I'm not spending my money on them. The next product is actually by this brand which I genuinely love a lot. It's K-Beauty. So K-Beauty का मैंने recently loose powder मंगवाया है अपने लिए because I genuinely needed a setting powder and I really liked K-Beauty. K-Beauty की by the way packaging और vibes और campaign मेरे को बहुत पसंद है. It's really really like up my alley. It's just something I really vibe with. So kudos to them for that. But one product that I genuinely don't see myself buying from their collection is the K-Beauty mascara. Now, if you want to, like, if I would want to go ahead and buy a drugstore mascara, I'd rather go and buy like a Maybelline Push Up Drama or a Falsies or a L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I wouldn't necessarily spend that money on a K-beauty mascara for some reason, I don't know. But personally, I wouldn't spend like 800-900 rupees on a K-beauty mascara. So that is something I don't want to spend my personal money on. But again, if you guys have tried it, let me know how it worked out for you. And if you guys like it, I don't know, I might also just go ahead and try it. But oh my god, I'm genuinely looking forward to buying a couple of their lipsticks. उनके lipsticks और उनकी जो eye shadow sticks है बहुत ज़्यादा cool लग रहे हैं मुझे. तो in case you guys have any favorites, leave them down below and I will go ahead and buy them for sure. The next product that I have is something जिसका ad आपने probably आज देखा होगा. ये YouTube की ads में इतना आते हैं कि मैं भी बोर हो गई हूँ देखते हुए. I'm sure आपने आज के दिन में किसी ना किसी की वीडियो के पहले देखा होगा. It is the Garnier Light Complete Serum. So these actually, this product has actually been marketed so much कि I was genuinely very curious कि ये product क्या है. So when I went ahead and actually saw the product and read its claims and ingredients, I was so sure कि मैं कभी नहीं खरीदूंगी. Why? Because it literally says it's for lightening, like it's a skin lightening serum. So that just totally turned me off and I was like, bro, this is not for me, because anything which says skin lightening, skin whitening is something I don't support. Second reason है कि it says it's a serum but it's a cream, so I'm very confused कि actually क्या है ये serum है कि cream है, night cream है, day cream है. It's really confusing, so personally something I wouldn't buy or spend my money on. So let's quickly move on to the next product. The next product is a new launch. It's by Huda Beauty, और Huda Beauty ने अभी recently बहुत सारे products launch किए हैं Nykaa पे, which were like everyone was just going like gaga over them, which I understand. Huda Beauty has some really great products. But this one I genuinely didn't understand. This is the Huda Beauty Eye Duo. It's basically a liquid eyeliner and a kohl in one pen. So you basically get a liquid eyeliner and a kajal in one product, and it is priced at around 2,000 rupees. So personally, I wouldn't want to spend 2,000 rupees on a liquid eyeliner, but that's just my choice. I don't think it's worth my money, or if I really would just want to spend my money, like if I wanted to spend 2,000 rupees on a makeup product, I'd rather spend it on some good eyeshadows, a good highlighter, a good foundation, and not an eyeliner. But that's just my opinion. So yeah, I don't want to spend my money on that either. Coming to the next product, this one is actually by Mamaearth and something which is actually a cult favorite. So I'm talking about the Mamaearth Onion Hair Care range. Now this is a product that I've seen so many people talk about on the internet, and honestly I really wanted to see कि hype क्या है, so that I can buy it for myself and test it and review it for you guys. But so for that I went through the ingredients list, and oh boy was I disappointed. So this is the Onion Hair Care range, which means the onion is the star product of these products, right? But onion is actually the 6th or 7th ingredient of the product. And अगर आपको नहीं पता कि ingredients कैसे work करते हैं, the first 3-4 ingredients, 2-3 ingredients are the main and the primary ingredients, और उसके बाद जो ingredients होते हैं वो secondary ingredients होते हैं. So if this is an onion hair care range, the onion oil and the onion extract should be the second or the third ingredient, last fourth, but उससे पीछे नहीं होना चाहिए. In fact इसमें I think serum में alcohol भी है, पर इसमें जो onion है, it comes down to the 6th or the 7th ingredient on the list, which is just disappointing. And that just means it's not very rich with onion or onion extract or onion oil. So I personally don't want to buy a product जिसमें the main star ingredient है वो उसका first or second ingredient भी नहीं है. So personally it's something that I don't want to buy. And honestly अगर मुझे अपने बालों में onion नहीं लगाना होता, मैं उसे squeeze करके तेल में लगा के लगा लेती हूँ instead of buying a shampoo or an oil like that. So just something I wouldn't want to buy personally. Coming on to our next product, we have the Wow Skin Science Hair Vanish Cream. Now this is basically a cream that you put on your skin, and it's also marketed as a hair vanish cream for women. I don't vibe with that marketing. Also, it's basically a product which will slow down your hair growth and lighten your hair and appearance of hair. Basically, it sounds like bleach. I don't like bleach. I don't understand why people would put so much chemicals and kind of like harm their skin. So I don't vibe with that. Also, I just feel like even for you guys, it's just better कि आप wax करा लो या फिर shave कर लो and just get rid of your hair instead of putting chemicals which will go beneath your skin and actually slow down your hair process. To me, that just seems a little shady, seems a little unnatural and harsh, and I wouldn't want to put my skin through it, so I wouldn't buy that product either. The next product is again by Mamaearth. Now this one is the Mamaearth Tea Tree Hair Mask. So I've already tried the Tea Tree shampoo and conditioner. That did make my hair soft and I did like using it, but it didn't really do anything for my dandruff. So like I gave it a fair chance. I used the Mamaearth tea tree shampoo and conditioner, पर उससे मेरी dandruff बिल्कुल नहीं गई और मैंने winters में use किया था when my dandruff was at its peak, but it didn't really do anything. So I feel like I don't want to try the tea tree mask also, because अगर shampoo conditioner ने नहीं निकाला dandruff तो फिर tea tree कैसे निकालेगा, the hair mask कैसे निकालेगा, तो that's also a pass. Coming to our next product, which is again a makeup product. This one is by Biotique. Now Biotique is marketed as an affordable drugstore skincare brand, and when they came up with makeup I was very surprised. So I recently went ahead and saw what they have to offer, and I was fairly disappointed. So Biotique actually has a couple of eyeshadows. So first of all, the price just did not make sense to me, because Biotique के जो toners है वो 100 रुपए के हैं और उनका eyeshadow 800 रुपए का है. And brands like Makeup Revolution have eyeshadows which are like 800, 900, 1000 rupees. So I didn't understand why Biotique would price their eyeshadows at 800 rupees. Secondly, उनकी color story was beyond my understanding, because they were like a set of 4 eyeshadows in one, इतने और colors सेंस ही नहीं बना रहे थे. Like एक green था, एक purplish था, 2 goldenish थे, and honestly उससे मैं कोई eyeshadow look नहीं बना सकती. Like if I am buying a eyeshadow palette, I would want to buy something जिससे मैं at least 2 looks तो बना पाऊँ. So it just did not make sense to me, and I wouldn't want to buy those products by Biotique. So a complete no-no from my side. Now coming on to a few of our last products. So these ones are actually base products. So I was actually looking at a couple of foundations because मुझे थोड़ी सी नई चाहिए थी, मेरी खत्म हो रही थी. So I came across these and I was very surprised. The first one is by Faces Canada. The reason why I would never buy it is because it has 4 shades, guys. 4 shades है. मैं, मेरे पापा, मेरी मम्मा, मेरी बहन या फिर जो मेरे घर पे काम करती है, हम चारों के स्किन टोन अलग हैं, more than 4 different shades. So I don't understand how a brand expects to cater to all Indian women with 4 shades. So that was extremely disappointing, and I feel like we're in 2020. Brands are coming up with like hundreds of shades, 40, 45, 50, 80, so many shades. I think we as a whole can do so much better than just 4 shades for such a diverse audience and consumer base. So I think that is something which is very disappointing, and I would not buy. The next one that I have is actually something that I was actually really looking forward to buy. This is NYX Total Drop Control Foundation. तो ये एक फाउंडेशन है जो इंस्टाग्राम पे हर ब्यूटी इन्फ्लुएंसर ने यूज़ की है, एंड आई एम श्योर इट्स वेरी गुड. बट द रीज़न व्हाई आई डोंट वांट टू बाय इट इज द शेड रेंज अगेन. So this is actually a very good coverage and a very good formulation, I've heard, but they only have 5 shades. Oh my god. And when I checked the Ulta Beauty, they had like I think 20-30 shades. So 5 shades is not enough, guys. I think we are way more than just 5 shades, and I feel like we deserve more shades. So that is the only reason why I would not buy this foundation. So I hope that NYX comes up with more shades in India at least. The next foundation that I want to talk about is by Maybelline. Now Maybelline ki Fit Me foundation, I know all of you guys love. I also used to love, but they also came up with these squeezy small tubes, so I think 200 रुपए की हैं. What was surprising was that it had only 6 shades. Now for a foundation which markets itself as a fit for all, find your perfect match, 6 shades is definitely not enough. Personally, it was a little turn off for me. Maybelline का जो बड़ा packaging, I think it has more than 6 shades, but squeezy tube में 6 shades is not enough, so something I would not buy. And with that, you guys, we come to the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that whatever I said made a little sense to you, because personally these are just the products that I wouldn't want to buy. अगर आप लोग को पसंद है, let me know in the comments कि if did I mention any product जो आपको genuinely पसंद है, and if you guys also feel similarly about the products I mentioned. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I would love to have a discussion with you guys. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to go ahead and like the video. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Let me know that you guys like my video so I can make more for you. And if you guys have not hit the bell icon, go ahead and hit the bell icon as well to stay notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, with that being said, I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.